it is again requested that the coaches and the managers of the participating club and districts to kindly join at the dais. Be seated there at the dais.
Good afternoon to everyone. Now we will start with the last and final match of the 38th Meghalaya State Badminton Championship 2023. Now we will have the men's singles finals between Mebanker Shullai of West Jaintia Hills versus Ritu of East Khasi Hills. The umpire of this match, Rumpang's aim, service judge Iranical's aim. It is requested that all the medal winners to please line up in court number 2 in front of the chief referee's table. All the medal winners to please line up in court number 2. The medal winners, please line up in court number 2 in front of the chief referee's table. The medal winners, please line up in court number 2.
Well, what a tournament, what a week we have had. All the players have played really well. But before we proceed further with the distribution of prizes, I would request the reception committee to kindly present a small gift to our chief guest, the respected MLA from Rambrai Assembly Constituency, Shri R.G. Momin. Come forward. Thank you, sir. We also have our respected Deputy Commissioner as the guest of honor, so I would request the reception committee to kindly present the gift to him. Then we have Baapaya Biwar, Assistant Director from Directorate of Sport and Youth Affairs. We also have the President of Meghalaya State Badminton Association, Dr. W. Khasi. Then the Senior Vice President of Meghalaya State Badminton Association, Dr. C.O. Rangat. The Vice President of Meghalaya State Badminton Association, cum President of West Giant Hills District Badminton Association, Sri James Parsnap. Then Srimati Pandora Rapsang, President of the East Khasi Hills District Badminton Association. Pandora Rapsang. Okay. Then we have the Secretary from Ribhoi District Badminton Association, Sri Anand Swen. Then Sri Bandi Momin, Joint Secretary, West Garo Hills District Badminton Association. Sri T.K. Wanyang, Branch Manager of Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank. One of the largest sponsor of this tournament. Thank you so much. Then we also have the MD of HRT Enterprise, Sri H.R. Thaba, who bear the same name. So thank you so much. So once again, a very good afternoon to all the people who are present here today with us. At the very outset, I would like to welcome once again our respected Chief Guest, Sri R.G. Momin, MLA from Rambrai Assembly Constituency. Sir, we are very thankful to you, not only for sparing your valuable time to be with us today, but also for your generosity in contribution financially to the association. In our midst, we also have the respected Deputy Commissioner, Sri Garot L.S. and Dice. Sir has been a patron for this tournament, and he has been very supportive to the West Khasi Hill District Association in making this tournament a success. Sir, we welcome you to this closing ceremony. I also welcome all the other officers from different departments, particularly from the sport department, the police department, the health departments, and also from the various sponsors, be it from the bank, from the private companies, and from various individuals who have generously contributed to West Khasi Hill District Association so that we could arrange this tournament successfully. Then I also welcome all the officials, technicals, the referees, the umpires from Meghalaya State Badminton Association. Without you, this tournament would not have been fair and proper. Very importantly, I also welcome to this closing ceremony all the members of the organizing committee, the subcommittees, be it for accommodation, for food, transportation, traffic management, and all other cells. Guys, you have done a tremendous job. I really admire your coordination, cooperation, and the teamwork. Thank you once again to the West Khasi Hill District Badminton Association. Most importantly, I welcome all the players, the teams from different districts. Without you, this tournament would not have been possible. There have been so many close matches. Like yesterday, we had so many close matches that tied us to our respective seats. Ultimately, there are winners and runners-up. But by way of participating, you all are champions. So I will request all the players to play with dedication, to spend time in sports and in your studies, and to abstain from all intoxicants and from all bad habits. This year, we are celebrating the Yuva Utsav, which in English means the Festival of the Youth. So we have to take the punch pran of 5 pledge, 5 goals. The goal number 1 is the goal of develop India. Goal number 2, to remove the colonial mindset. Goal number 3, we have to take pride in our heritage and legacy. And then goal number 4, national unity and solidarity. And finally, we have to have the sense of duty towards the progress of our nation. I hope all the players have a good stay in West Khasi Hills. Yes or no? Players from other district, do you have a good stay in our district? We have had no major complaints. We have no major issues from any of the districts. So I take it that we are a good host. So thank you to the West Khasi Hill District Badminton Association. Finally, I welcome all the supporters, all the audience, and also the press who are sharing this tournament, the progress of the tournament, both digitally and in the print media. So once again, I welcome each and every one of you to this prize distribution and closing ceremony. So without further ado, I would request from DSYA to give a short speech.
Very much thank you, Mr. Thaba, Chairman of the Organizing Committee of this 38 Meghalaya State Badminton Championship 2023. Shri R.G. Momin, MLA, Member of the Legislative Assembly from Ramrai Jarangam constituency. Shri Garrett LNS Dykes, IAS, Deputy Commissioner, West Khasi Hills District. President of the Meghalaya State Badminton Association, Shri W. Khasi, Senior Vice Presidents, the members of the Meghalaya State Badminton Association, Shri S. Lindem, President of the West Khasi Hills District Badminton Association, Secretary, and all the members of the West Khasi Hills District Badminton Association, and all those present here in the dais. It's a privilege for me to be with you here on this very auspicious occasion. First of all, I would like to mention that Director Sports, Srimati Isawanda Lalu, she's not been able to be here with you, but she sends her best wishes, and I have already conveyed this best wishes to the President of West Khasi Hill District Badminton Association, Sri S. Lindem. I've been here for so many years in Nongstoin, you know. I feel like it's my own home. For all of you to know, you know, I joined my service here in 1993, and you know, I exit West Khasi Hills in 1999, and then came back again in 2009 and exit back again in 2021. So many years I've been working here, and you know, I know the people here, and I'm very proud that, you know, a lot of supporters are here for the entire championship. My best congratulations goes to the organizing committee of this Meghalaya State Badminton Championship. I look forward for the Meghalaya State Badminton Association. Hello. Hello. So, I would like to congratulate all the players. I understand that there are 246 athletes who took part in this prestigious state championship, starting from the under 13, under 15, under 17, under 19, and the senior category. So congratulations to each and every one of you. I know all of you are not winners, but most of you are. But those who have represented their affiliated units from the various affiliated units of the state, from various districts of the state, a big congratulations to each and every one of you. You're all winners in this championship. I came to understand yesterday that the Meghalaya State Badminton Association will be participating in various events, and the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs look forward to support in each and every ways and means which we can support. Please do come forward, and my request to the Meghalaya State Badminton Association, I understand that it is very difficult to organize such championships, to select players, and especially to identify prominent and talented athletes from the state to represent in different regional and national championships. But I request them, if it takes the association to invest more on our athletes, please do so, and the Department of Sports will be happy to support in whichever way they can. So with these few words, I would like to congratulate again the organizing committee of the 38th Meghalaya State Badminton Championship. All the best. Thank you to all the supporters, the parents, the District Sports Association. Thank you so much for being part of this very wonderful championship. Thank you so much.
So thank you so much, Bapaya. Bapaya has had a long association with West Khasi Hills, And we also thanks to the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs for the supporting role and for guiding the district association to organize this tournament. We have the very young, talented artists from West Khasi Hills. So I think all of you would, this tournament will be boring if we don't, I mean this closing ceremony will be boring if we do not have any songs or any dance. So now I request the kids, Tarari Nongstoin, to present your speech item. Thank you so much to Kids Tarari from Nongstoin. The group are not only the talented artists from West Khasi Hills, but they are the talented artists of the entire state. Even the Honorable Chief Minister had appreciated them and had supported them also financially in setting up a studio. So one more round of applause to the group. So now may I request Shri Rajesh Kamal, the Secretary of Meghalaya State Badminton Association, to give a tournament report.
First of all, at the outside, I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri R.G. Momin, Honorable M.A. from Ramrai, Jingram constituency. My thanks to Shri Gaurad L.S.N. Dykes, D.C. West Khasi Hills, and other dignitaries sitting on the dais. First of all, I'd like to highlight some points before I give my report. I have a very long memory with this West Khasi Hills District Badminton Association, which goes back to 96-97. And a very distinguished guest here who's with us for last 30 years, Dr. C.O. Rangat. Let's give him a big hand, then I'll go ahead with the story. Dr. C.O. Rangat was the first president of West Khasi Hills District Badminton Association, which was formed in 96-97. Under his leadership, we have conducted so many tournaments. And West Khasi Hills District Badminton Association was the first district who was affiliated to Meghalaya State Badminton Association way back in 97. And thereon, we have added 9 districts to our state association, but our lead district was West Khasi Hills District Badminton Association. And all credit, all thanks go to Dr. C.O. Rangat, who had manufactured and done these things. Now, I'd like to go to report for the record of all the audience and dignitaries. I'd like to mention that out of 12 districts, we had 9 districts participated in this tournament of 2023, including 1 club. We had East Khasi Hills with 46 numbers of participants, East West Khasi Hills 13 number, North Garo Hills 3, Ribhoi 26, Southwest Garo Hills 3, Southwest Khasi Hills 11, West Garo Hills 20, West Jantia Hills 37, West Khasi Hills with highest 51, and YTBC 20. So we had total 246 participants, which goes with the team officials. We are 20-25 numbers, which goes to 246, 46 into 270 participants, which is very highest in terms of all these years. So I thanks West Khasi Hills. They have done their best to accommodate all of us here. We had total 307 matches stretching to 4 days. Day 1, we had 97 matches, which started from 8 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. And day 2, we had 111 matches, which we started at 8 a.m. and concluded at 11:40 p.m. at night. At day 3, we had 76 matches, started from 9 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. And day 4 today, we had 18 finals, so which we are concluding now. So this was the highest number of matches we played in 4 days. I hope that coming days it will be tougher, more tougher for us. This was the report, and besides this, we have team announcement for Northeast Interstate Badminton Championship, which will be held at Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh from 16 to 19 August. Then we have Junior National Badminton Championship, which will be held from 7 to 12 September at Bangalore. Then we have Sub-Junior Nationals, 15 and 17 Nationals to be held at Hyderabad from 14 to September. We have team announcement for this. Last night our selection committee said, and we have selected the players. One by one announced, kindly all the players come forward and stand in front of chief guests so that we will know that these are the team we have selected. Kiefer Shullai, Ritu Raj Nag, Mebanker Shullai, Dailang Nongplo, Gray Gorio Pasa. Our selection committee had taken a very keen view of this tournament, and out of that we have selected a surprise 2 players, Chirag Agarwal, Gitchik Sagma from West Garo Hills. Chirag Agarwal, Gitchik, please come. Next we go to women's team, El Sarika Undor, Sheetal Joshi, Sejal Joshi, Kathrisa Lindo, and we have local for you, Barisuk Shirkon. Iban Pinun Kharbani, now going to juniors, Gaurav Singh, Benhanan Kharwanlang, Stephen Marvin, Ardor Marbanyang, kindly give a clap. Mohit Joshi, and we have one substitute selected, because we will be selected out of 5 players for boys team. That is, last is Vivin Lalu. Girls, Iban Punhun Kharwani, Pratiksha Joshi, Kathrisa Lindo, you are already there, Sneha Chetri. And we have team officials for this already. Salrak Sangha, please come forward. Raju Thing Baijam, Salrak will be manager of the team for this from West Garo Hills. Raju Thing Baijam, coach. Ira Nichols, CM coach. And we have one more assistant manager, Anand Swet from Rivoy. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our team for Northeast Zone Badminton Championship to be held at Itanagar from 16th to 19th August 2023. Team selection for Sub-Junior Nationals, Gavan Kharbuki, Amrit Singh, Netanya Taryang, Daipi Shisha Doling. This is under 15. Under 17, Reynal Kharbuki, Vivian Lalu, Babrim Momin from Ribhoi, Pratiksha Joshi, Sneha Chetri. This is our team for 15 and 17. Junior Nationals, we have Gaurav Singh, Sub-Junior Nationals will be held at Hyderabad from 14 to 19 September. And Junior Nationals will be held at Bangalore from 7 to 12 September. Gaurav Singh, Benahan Kharwallang, Pratiksha Joshi, Iba Punhun Shisha. In mixed doubles, we have Order Marwanyang and Iba Punhun Shah. This is our junior team, which will be representing Meghalaya at Hyderabad. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to all the players who have been selected to represent our state, and we wish you the very best. Please bring laurels to our state. Thank you so much to Sir Shri Rajesh Kamal for giving that tournament report, and we are very proud of this tournament being one of the tournament that has the largest number of participants. So now we have another special item. We have this Eric Nathan Rimbai, one of the talented artists from West Khasi Hills district. So I request Eric Nathan to give his special item.
Check. Check one.
Got a friend in New York City. He's never heard of Conway the 20. Don't know nothing about grits and greens. He's never been south of Queens. But he flew down here on a business trip. I took him home, he talking, and that was it. He took to it like a pig to mud, like a cow to cub. We all got a hillbilly bone down deep inside. No matter where you're from, you just can't hide. Where the band starts playing and the full song, you can't help but hollering, yeehaw! You see them pretty little punks and queens, and you gotta admit that's in them jeans. Ain't nothing wrong, just getting on. You're a hillbilly bone, ba bone, ba bone, bone. Gotta be born riding sticks with a left 150 and a 30 on 6. Or have a brother in the family tree. Get on down with me. Yeah, Bubba, all you need is an open mind. If it finds you up, you gotta let it shine. If it feels so right that it can't be wrong, come on, come on, come on, you ain't alone. You ain't alone. You ain't got a hillbilly bone down deep inside. No matter where you're from, you just can't hide. When the band starts playing and you feel the song, you can't help but hollering, yeehaw! When you see them pretty little country queens, man, you gotta admit that's in them jeans. Ain't nothing wrong, just get it on. You're a hillbilly bone, ba bone, ba bone, bone. We all got a hillbilly bone down deep inside. No matter where you're from, you just can't hide. When the band starts playing and the field song, you can't help but hollering, yeehaw! You see them pretty little country queens, man, you gotta admit that's in them jeans. Ain't nothing wrong, just get it on. You're a hillbilly bone, ba bone, ba bone, bone. 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 Yeah, so the hillbilly bone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Eric Natharambai, for entertaining us with that beautiful song. You remind us of Kid Rock, the American singer. So keep up your passion and continue to entertain the people. So without further ado, may I now request Shri R.G. Momin, MLA from Rambrai Assembly Constituency and the chief guest of today's function, to kindly give a speech.
Honorable Chairman, H.K. Thapa, and respectable Honorable DC, G. Dykes, and all big leaders from Meghalaya State Championship, and all coaches and leaders, and my dear students, no? I think students, all my children. No? So I'm proud to be here, so I could attend here. By grace of God, I could be here, and my program had been failed. No? So seeing my children, no? and the one thing I want to advise for my children, God's word says, no? For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, but to give you hope in the future. Everything, whatever God has plans for us, my children, is to prosper you and to make you a good citizen of our country. So everything, whatever God bless us, is to prosper you, not to harm you, but to give you hope in a future success in your life. No? So you have to be careful. So since your students, no, I want to encourage regarding education also. And Bible says, no, how much better to get education more than gold. Gold is nothing. Good mobiles are nothing. And good cars are nothing. You should not be serious for this thing. But my suggestion is you should be serious to get good education. And how much better to get good education more than silver is just. Silver is nothing. But my suggestion is like this. You have to be very careful to get a good education. And everything, whatever you do, no? It should follow with education. Now these days, education is life and life is education. Without education, we cannot survive, no? Education is a preparation of life. Whatever you do, you may play sports, you may do some business, but everything will be different. Without education, if you play sports, game will be different, and your technique will be different. If you do some business, but with education, everything is different. No? So this thing, now these days, without education, we cannot survive also. So my dear children, small children, Mom, you have to be very careful. Now, you continue your sports and games with education, then it can be prosperous well. And then education is a preparation of life. Whatever God had blessed you with different talents, then you'll be blessed with education. Without education, we cannot grow up. So I request, and then education can discover the life value. What is your life value? Without education, we can't discover our life values. No? So my children, my dear children, you have to be very careful. You have to be serious for education. Then you can go out with games and sports. Then everything will be prosper. Everything will be blessed like this. No? So I request my children, please be serious. God's word says, no. Why people have been destroyed? My people are destroyed because of lack of education and spoiled. Without education, everything will be spoiled. So I request to continue your education and play game and sport. Then you will be prosper according to God's will. That's all, Mom. Then it says, no, the kingdom of God is within you. It says, blessing is here within us, our state. You may think, if I go and stay in America, I go in England, I will get blessing, but not like this. Blessing is here you're standing now here. So I request, you have to be very careful. Then, kingdom blessing is like this, no? Kingdom of God is like a treasure hidden in a field somewhere. Now you're playing badminton. Somewhere blessing maybe already disposed or prepared for you somewhere. Maybe in district badminton, maybe in the state badminton, somewhere in the national badminton, somewhere in international badminton championship also. So it depends on you. Blessing is on you. If you use your talent properly and use according to God's will, then blessing is somewhere. Maybe international badminton, maybe international national badminton, somewhere maybe. Sometimes you may play in America, sometimes you may play in Mumbai or some Delhi. So God had already a plan for you, but blessing is on you. Kingdom of God is blessing is on you. But if you use your talent properly and according to God's will, then you may occupy all these things. No? This thing. So it is God's will and act according to His purpose. God made you wonderfully and perfectly. You imagine, you have eyes, you have legs, you have hands. How much God had cared for you. God had already cared you from your mother's womb like this. No? So you have to be very careful the gift that God has given for you. Whatever God has given talent you should use properly. Then everything will be in right order. Do not neglect the gift that is in you. That means God had given different gifts and skills and talent to you. So you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful. God's word also said, no? Lord took the men and put them in the garden of Eden to work and take care of it. Like this, no? God, now in Eden Garden we have fruits and flowers. Your talent, you got now badminton player, you became badminton player. Some got football player, some got different types of events, no, players. So these are the like flowers and fruits in the Eden Garden. So God says, no, you have to be very careful, take care of it. then blessing will continue you. Blessing will come to you like this. No? So my request, my children, you have to be very careful. Do not neglect the gift that is in you. Whatever God has given talent to you, you have to be very careful. I think this is the way and means for your future employment also. No? Now these days, though you have to pass engineers and doctors, now everybody is spending without work, without job. No? So if you are successful in sports, imagine, even from Shillong also you think. Eugene Lingdo once I have seen in the newspaper, no? He had been selected for ISL contract, no? 1 month he played. Only 2 times he had been selected to play. How much he got? He got 1 crore 5 lakhs, like, imagine. 1 crore 5 lakhs. 2 times he played. Imagine how sportsmen are getting benefit and blessed. See, PB Sindhu had champion, badminton champion. He won internationally. When he reached, how many crores he earned from different companies, and Indian government also already provided some special package. How many crores he earned? How many like this? No. So my request, another one is we now games and sports, ways of employment. Once you have been successful in sports, at least up to your age, all grow old also, you will be appointed as coach, you will be appointed as the leader of the sports department, you will be officers, preference will be given to the sportsmen, no? Like this, no? So this is my suggestion, my children. So we have to be very careful. Now you are still young, and I request my children, no? All things are lawful, but all things are not helpful to our health. No. Now we have seen many foods, and some fruits also may be there. So all foods that we eat, we have to be careful. No. In my life, I have experienced. No, you're a sportsman. If you chew tobacco, if you smoke cigarette, and like this, no, how much your stamina will be reduced? If you use alcohol, what will happen? And if you use drugs, what will happen? God had already planned you to uplift your life. Then if you use all things are lawful, of course the government had made all these things, but some substances will not help to your health. So you have to be very careful, my children. No? So some substances that you are eating now these days, not many things, even chips, even all these things, you have to be very careful. So your stamina will be reduced. So this thing, my request is, are you thinking to be player of the district, or you are planning to player of the state, or at it? Why only this thing? Attempt great things for God and expect great things from God. Is that no? So you attempt great things. You attempt to become the player of the country, internationally, international player or national player. Why you are thinking only this district player or state player? You have to be very careful, and you use your talent according to God's will. Everything. And then another one is passion. No, you have to suffer. Whenever we do everything, we have to suffer. Without preparation, without suffering, we can't this. You have to be suffer and do and sacrifice your future like this. I don't much anything. Time is going on. So only thing, since I'm education department, I always speak to my children. No, we have RTE Act. RTE Act. Act means ACTS. No, Act means ACTS. A means insurance or insurance like this. No. So my request, you have knowledge, you are expert in playing, but we have to follow these rules. And athlete is not crowned unless he competes according to his rules. No, we have to follow the rules accordingly. You may be expert in playing, but if you don't follow the rules, your expertness, your talent will be in vain like this, no? I have seen many Olympic players, they are expert, have been selected, but at last, when they play without rules, then they had been left out. Suppose you're expert, if you addicted to drugs, drugs will be found from your body, then you will be rejected. Not this thing also. So my request, my children, I will not speak much. A means experience, but according to our Christianity, seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things will be added unto you. You have to ensure your life to the Lord Jesus Christ. You have to ensure your life. Don't ensure your life to banks and money or like this. But first, you have to ensure your life to God. Then God will do mighty things on you. And all these things will be added unto you, And everything, you may expect only district players. God can use you up to international player. So all these will be things will be added unto you. Then God can bless more than your expectation. You may expect only state players, but God might use you up to national and international players. So you have to ensure your life to God. Then God will use you. And second one is commit your way to the Lord. Trust Him, and He will do whatever you like. Then you have to commit your sports commitment. Sports commitment. Commit your sportsmanship on God. Then He will do it. And third one is team. Trust in the Lord and do good and enjoy the safe pictures. You should not go in the wrong way, but you should go according to God's will. God's ways you have to follow. Then He will do the desires of your heart. What is your desire in your heart? What is your aim in your future? Then God will perform and bless you the desires of your heart. This thing. And then fourth one is S. S means submission. You are expert in playing badminton, but you are not disciplined. You have no discipline. God resists the proud, but gives grace to the humble. If you are challenging referee, if you are challenging umpires, if you are showing with physically indiscipline, then God cannot bless you and lift you up. Humble yourself under the mighty hands of God. Then He will lift you up due time. Time will come, God will lift you up. God will uphold your life in the future. So this is my request. So you have to maintain discipline. You have to obey and respect the elders and superiors and all leaders involved concern games like this. And then another one, Bible says, God, one more. God Lord send poverty and wealth. He humbles and exalts. He raised the poor from the dust and lifts the needy from the ash heap like this. You may be poor person. You may be from the poor background. You don't have anything. But Bible says, God raised the needy from the dustbin and lift the needy from the ash heap. Maybe from the dump site or dump, and many things have been thrown away from that dump site. God can lift you up like this, no? So my request, sanctify and commit yourself under the mighty hands of God. Sanctify yourself for tomorrow. God will do wonders among you. Then if you commit and sanctify yourself, then tomorrow God will do mighty things and wonders among you. That boy, that girl is from the interior places of the Gentiles, from Bakmara or somewhere. Father is like wage earner, working as wage earner, laborers. But how his daughter and how his son became international player of badminton, and international player of the national player of the India. Now they became rich. They have got a big house. They have purchased good quality vehicles, and they have everything what they have to enjoy in the world. So this thing, everybody will wonder, Samuel. See this thing, by yourself, commit yourself according to God's will. Then God can do wonders among you. So with these few words, may God bless each and every one of them. God bless you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of wisdom and inspiration. Being the former school education officer, so he has stressed on the importance of education and good health. So once again, thank you so much to the chief guest, Sir R.G. Momen. I know all the players are being restive, are impatient. They all want their trophies. So may I request Shri S. Lindam, the working chairman, organizing committee, and the president of West Khasi Hills District Badminton Association to declare the result for the Empire exam and to give his word of thanks.
Thank God for the blessings that He has bestowed upon us, that enables us to gather here all together in this moment. Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chairman, sir, I have two parts of duties to be done now. First part is the declaration of the result for the umpire exam that was held during these 4 days. We have a good numbers of candidates and few are selected. So as soon as I call the names, I request the successful candidates to come forward for introduction to the chief guest and the guests present on the dais. In order of merits, the successful candidates are Sobin K. Sangma, please come forward. Rimanlang Lingdo, Daisy Kresha Marbanyang, and Thomas Karsim Yong. We know that conducting matches, we need to know the rules and regulations of badminton. These four have done so hard that they have gone through all the rules and regulations of badminton, and they have successfully passed their state umpire exam. Now they are the full-fledged state umpire exam. Thank you so much. Welcome to the Technical Official Committee of MSB. Thank you. A vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to our chief guest, Sri R.G. Momen. Thank you very much, sir, for sparing your valuable time. In spite of being a very busy man representing the very big constituency, still you are managing to spare your time to be with us. Thank you so much, sir, once again. Thank you to all the guests on the dais and all who are around here in this stadium. My special thanks also goes to the district administration, to our Honorable Deputy Commissioner, Sri L. Garat LSN Dait, who from the day one, when we discussed about hosting the state championship, we had just a talk of about 5 minutes, then sir encouraged us to go ahead. So with his presence in the district, we feel that we are very much inspired to do anything we want for the betterness of the youths of the district. Thank you, sir, and thank you to the whole district administration as a whole. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, to Bapaya Warnongbri, Assistant Director, the SYA who is present here. The SYA is the main sponsor for this 38 Meghalaya State Badminton Championship 2023. Thank you so much, sir. And yes, he told me that the Director of Sports and Youth Affairs could not manage her time to be here with us, but she has sent her best wishes to the organizer with regard to the conduct of the tournament. Yes, please send our regards also to her, thanking her for the support she has given us. I would also like to thank the MSBA, Meghalaya State Badminton Association. We have seen now we have full team of the MSBA members, right from our President, Dr. W. Khasi, Senior Vice President, Dr. C. Organised, James Posngam, then all the members of the association, Rajas Kamal, the General Secretary, Antonio Lakyang, the Treasurer, Pilalu, Vice President, Kong Pandora Rapsang, Vice President, Maid Yekas, Member Kong Balarinas Im, Joint Secretary. Your presence here really inspired us in this event that we are conducting now. Special thanks also goes to the State Sport Council of Meghalaya, to Bibat Im, whom without his help, the stadium would not be in this condition as it is now. So I would like to thank him as well. I would like also to thank the sponsors, the donors, the well-wishers, and all the district heads who have contributed generously toward the association for conducting this tournament in a successful manner. To name a few, the sponsors are this Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Meghalaya State Badminton Association, MLA Nongstoin, Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank Limited, Woodland Hospital, MLA Maushindrut, HR Thaba Enterprise, Donkupar Masar, Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, MLA Rambrai, CMYDS, Mr. Telang Pri, Rupa, Lincoln Engineering, Spika, Pilodi Nongstoin, IDFC, Bank, Leaning, DSPS West Khasi Hills, AS Shooting, Officers Club Nongstoin, DRDA Nongstoin, Dahar Construction, Jeffrey Sangpriang, Dabbor Semyong, Sibran Nongbri, Pankaj, Mike Yakais, Crispus Sangriang, Office of the Commandant Foot Battalion, and Office of SP. If I forget to name anyone from the one having in this list, please take that. A special thank goes to everyone who has contributed a lot to the association. I would like to thank the Director, Nongstoin Social Society, for allowing us to use the hall in the premise as the accommodation for the female players. The Project Director of DRDA and Sardar of Pandangrai Village for allowing us to use the girl hostel for the accommodation of the male players. Not to forget the technical officials who have officiated in the last 4 days, having 246 participants and 307 matches. It is not a matter of joke to finish within 1 day, but with their hard work and dedication, they have done a tremendous job in making the tournament a success. Hats off to Baraju and the team of technical officials for your contribution. I would like also to thank the organizing team. The organizing committee headed by the Chief Patron, our Deputy Commissioner, and Chairman organizing committee, Sir H. Kitaba, Deputy Commissioner. I would like to thank the different subcommittees, right from Finance Committee to its chairman, convener, and all the members, Finance Committee, Food Committee, Accommodation and Transport Committee, Reception and Ceremonial Committee, Medical Committee and the medical teams, the crew members, the Security Committee, and all the members of the West Khasi Hills District Badminton Association who have worked very hard from the first day that we have decided to host this championship. I would like to request each one of you to work harder and to focus more, as we have seen now our kids from West Khasi Hills have started coming up, as you will see now in the prize distribution. I also like to thank those small kids, the performers from the Kid Tarari. Amazing display by them. So I wish them all the best in the days to come. Also, the solo singer Eric Nathan Rumbai, who have shown us the talent he has. May God bless him also. My thanks also goes to DPRO, who has been helping us many times until today. My thanks also goes to media, print and electronics, and especially the Media and Publicity Committee through its chairman, Sri J.L. Sangryang, as we are able to see the live streaming coverage in YouTube, and we can see from wherever we are during the process of the competition. Last but not the least, the participating districts comprising of the players, the coaches, the managers who have come to Nangstein and participated in this big event. Thanking you all for your participation, and I hope you enjoy the stay in Nangstein, you enjoy the tournament, you enjoy the stay and the food and everything you have that we have provided here during the last 5 days. So if anything that you might find we are short of, please bear with us. We'll be trying to improve in the days to come. Not to forget the wonderful audience. In the last 4 days, we have got the wonderful audience who have been cheering the team and the players every day till even though the matches went up late at night. Let's forget to mention to special, or before I go to that point, I want one important announcement. We are proud as the ASEAN, we are proud to have with us, in the midst of us, Sir Dr. Siorngat. Sir, can you please stand up? I will add introduction, Sir Siorngat. He is the founder president of the West Khasi Hills District Badminton Association way back in the year 1999. And also, Mr. Elvis Mertong, the first general secretary of the West Khasi Hills District Badminton Association way back in the year 1999. And they are still going strong. And Sir Dr. Siorngat is the senior vice president of the Meghalaya State Badminton Association as well. These are the two founding members, the main members. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Bon. Yo ngakum klet, yano hakani kajing ai kublai, nrai to shim, bakani kajing ai kublai, kalet cha pi iway pa iway, kibala no senyang, kibala dan benta, Haban Penlong yakani ka 38 Meghalaya State Badminton Championship 2023 Kabajop. With these few words, Kublai Shibun, Mithala, thank you.
Thank you so much, Ba Lindam. You have forgotten one point. You have forget to thank yourself. Okay. So once again, thank you so much to S. Lindem, the working president of West Khasi Hills Badminton Association, for working tirelessly and left no stone unturned to make this tournament a success. One more round of applause to him, please. We are now at the most awaited part of the program, that is the prize distribution. I know all the players are impatient now, so they are all waiting for their trophies, for the medals. As we all know, we have 5 categories. The under 13 category, prize distribution will be done by the Vice President of Meghalaya State Badminton Association. The under 15 category, prize distribution will be done by the President of Meghalaya State Badminton Association, Dr. W. Khasi. The under 17 category, prize distribution will be done by the Assistant Director of Directorate of Sport and Youth Affairs, Paya Biwar. The under 9 category, prize distribution will be done by our respected Deputy Commissioner, Shri Garrett L.S.N. Dykes. And the senior category, the prize distribution will be done by our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri R.G. Momen, the MLA from Rambrai Assembly Constituency. So we will start the prize distribution for the under 13 category. So may I request Dr. C.O. Rangat, Senior Vice President, Meghalaya State Badminton Association, to kindly come forward so that we can give the medals to the winners and the runners-up. So I'll hand over the mic to the reception committee to give the awards to the winners and the runners-up.
On behalf of the West Khasi Hills Badminton Association, we would like to congratulate all the winners and the participants of this tournament. Now coming to the prize distribution, I would like to request Mario M. Nongkar to please escort Dr. C.O. Rangat, Senior Vice President, Meghalaya State Badminton Association. Starting with under 13 girls single. Runners up goes to Asem Chanu. Please come to the podium. I request Dr. C.O. Rangat. Okay. And the winner is Ila Penhud Nakar, West Khasi Hills. Okay, so I would like to call Dr. C.O. Rangat, Senior Vice President. Please kindly hand over the prizes to the winners. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. Under 13 girls doubles. Runners-up goes to Rema G. Nongklau and Ritisha Chetri, East Khasi Hills. And the winners are Doreen A. Lingkhoi and Ila Penhundakar, West Khasi Hills. Next, under 13 boys singles. Runners-up goes to Tule Creek, India from West Giant Hills. And the winner is Ram Pasa from West Giant Hills. Next, under 13 boys doubles. Runners-up goes to Donfar Nongse and Raiden Dees Aim from West Khasi Hills. And the winner goes to Ram Pasa and Tule Creek, India from West Giant Hills. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. I request Gilbert Walang to please escort Dr. W. Khasi, President of the Meghalaya State Badminton Association, to the podium.
I'll smile, I know what it takes to fool this town. I'll do it till
Under
the sun
15
goes
girls
down.
singles, the runners-up goes to Devi Shisha Darling, Young Talent Badminton Club,
I'll tell you what you
and the winner goes to Netanya T. Taryang from East Khasi Hills.
It's never the right time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I put my armor on so you are strong I am. I put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Persia with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game.
Under 15 girls doubles, the runners-up goes to Dorencia Carboni and Letrimai Marak. And the winner goes to Netanya Titayang and Anjali Sharma from East Khasi Hills. Next, under 15 boys single, runners-up goes to Amrit Singh from East Khasi Hills. And the winner is Gavin Karbuki from East Khasi Hills. Next, under 15 boys doubles, please be ready. Babrian Momin and Endix Aim from Reboy Badminton Association, and the winner is Amrit Singh and Gavin Karbuki from East Khasi Hills.
Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Keep my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time. Yeah, yeah. I put my arm around, show you how strong I am. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Persia with no brakes. I'm invincible. And I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need thanks to play.
Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. I request Wanda Shisha to escort Shri P.B. War, Assistant Director, Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, come to the podium and hand over the prizes to the winners. Under 17 girls single. The runners-up goes to Sneha Chetri, East Khasi Hills, and the winner is Pratiksha Joshi from East Khasi Hills.
I know, I've heard that to let your feelings show is the only way to make friendships grow, but I'm too afraid now. Yeah, yeah. I put my arm around, show you how strong I am. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Persia with no brakes. I'm invincible. And I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident.
Under 17 girls doubles, runners-up goes to Ivan Penroy Karbani and Shimki Hun from West Khasi Hills, and the winner goes to Sneha Chetri and Gerima Nonglau from East Khasi Hills.
Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. I put my arm around, show you how strong I am. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am.
17 boys single. Runners-up goes to Pratham Majumran of East Khasi Hills. And the winner is Renal Karbuki of East Khasi Hills.
I'll smile, I know what it takes to fool this town. I'll do it till
Under 17 boys doubles, runners-up goes to Hambat Manar and Nemi Nelson of West Giant Hills. And the winner goes to Renal Karbuki and Pratham Majumdar of East Khasi Hills.
now at the right time. Yeah, yeah. I put my arm around so you are strong I am. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Persian missile.
Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. I request Eureka Karbani to escort Shri Garrett S. LSN Dykes IAS, Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills District, to come over to the podium and kindly hand over the prizes to the winners. Under 19 girls single. The runners-up goes to Iban Penhon Shisha of West Khasi Hills, and the winner goes to Pratiksha Joshi of East Khasi Hills.
As I scream your name, hello, hello, do you need me before I fade away? Is this a place that I call home to find what I've become? Walk along the path unknown. We live, we love, we lie. Deep in the dark, I don't need the light. There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs to the other side. We live, we love, we lie.
Under 19 girls doubles, runners-up goes to Cherish M. Paswat and Josephina D. Pasa of West Giant Hills. And the winner goes to Iba Penhon Shisha and Shimpi Hun Mingdo of West Khasi Hills.
Hello, hello, nice to meet you. Voice inside my head. Hello, hello, I believe you. How can I forget? Is this a place that I call home to find what I've become? Walk along the path unknown. We live, we love, we lie. Deep in the dark, I don't need the light. There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs to the other side. We love, we
Under 19 boys single, runners-up goes to Benhanan Karwalang of the Young Talent Badminton Club, and the winner goes to Gaurav Singh of East Khasi Hills. Under 19 boys doubles. Runners-up goes to Dadharan P. Shullai and Hunbait Manar of West Giant Hills. And the winner goes to Renal Karbuki and Pradhan Bajumdar of East Khasi Hills.
Hello, hello, can you hear me as I scream your name? Hello, hello, do you need me before I fade away? Is this a place that I call home to find what I've become? Walk along the path unknown. We live, we love, we lie. Deep in the dark, I don't need the light. There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs to the other side. We live, we love, we lie.
Under 19 junior mixed doubles. Runners-up goes to Benhanan Karwanlang and Lanayavika Tinpai of Young Talent Badminton Club. And the winner goes to Ador Marbanyang and Ibapin Honshisha of West Khasi Hills.
Hello, hello, nice to meet you. Voice inside my head. Hello, hello, I believe you. How can I forget? Is this a place that I call home to find what I've become? Walk along the path unknown. We live, we love, we lie. Deep in the dark, I don't need the light. There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs
sir, for
to
doing the
the
honors.
other side.
I request Dinah Marwendi to escort our honorable chief guest, Renington G. Momin, MLA of Rambai Jungam constituency and the chairman of Meghalaya Mineral Corporation Limited to please come to the podium and kindly hand over their prizes. Women's singles, runners-up goes to Sejal Joshi of East Khasi Hills and the winner goes to Elsarika Umdor of East Khasi Hills.
A million little pieces feeds the dying light and brings me back to life. In your eyes, I see something to believe in. Your hands are like a flame. Your palms are sweet as pain. Let the darkness lead us into the light. Let our dreams get lost, feel the temperature rise. Baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I ignite. Like a starship speeding into the night. You and I get lost in the infinite light. Baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I ignite. One touch and I ignite.
Women doubles. Runners-up goes to Elsarika Umdor and Sonal Joshi of East Khasi Hills and the winner are Sheetal Joshi and Sejal Joshi of East Khasi
Just like
Hills.
a daylight burning on my skin. It turns me on again. You and I, survivors of the same kind, but we're the only ones dancing on the side. Let the darkness lead us into the light. Let our dreams get lost, feel the temperature rise. Baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I ignite. Like a starship speeding into the night. You and I get lost in the infinite light. Baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I ignite. One touch and I ignite.
Mixed doubles. Runners-up goes to Mebanker Shullai and Josephina Pasa of West Giant Hills and the winner goes to Kifar W. Shullai and Elsarikar Umdor of East Khasi Hills.
greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can beat the world, you can beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself. Standing in the Hall of Fame, yeah. And the world's gonna know your name, yeah. 'Cause you burn with the brush flame, yeah. And the world's gonna know your name, yeah.
Runners-up of men doubles goes to Fran Najar and Delang Nongplo of West Janta Hills. And the winner goes to Kefar Shullai and Ritu Nak of East Khasi Hills.
Breaking over records they thought never could be broke. Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. You ain't never gonna know if you never even try. Do it for your country, do it for your name. 'Cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame, yeah. And the world's gonna know your name, yeah. 'Cause you burn with the brush flame, yeah. And the world's gonna know your name, yeah. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion, be a champion, be a champion, be a champion. The walls of the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers, yeah, yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be
And the
champions,
runners-up
be truth seekers.
From men's single of the 38th Meghalaya State Badminton Champion 2020 goes to Ritu Nak from East Khasi Hills. And the winner of this championship is from men's single is Mebanker Shullai, West Janta Hills. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors.
Might be
We have come to the end of the prize distribution.
a lone fool out in the sun. Your heartbeat.
Congratulations to all the winners, the runners-up, all the players.
You'll never
Thank
know
you so much to the reception
when the
committee for
daylight
the prize
comes.
distribution. So like the saying goes, every good thing must come to an end. So this tournament has finally ended. So now may I request the Honorable Chief Guest to declare this tournament closed.
I, Sri R.G. Mumen, MLA Ramrai, hereby declared that 38th Meghalaya State Badminton Championship 23 declared closed.
Thank you so much, sir. So finally, the 38th edition of the Meghalaya State Badminton Championship has come to an end. All the very best to all the players and safe journey to your respective district. Thank you.